Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Mine with Miss Wagashi TV. Today, I will show you a typical festive dish served during New Year celebration. Braised chicken and vegetable, known as Chikuzenni in Japanese. I will show you how to infuse vegetables and chicken with umami flavored classic Japanese sauce. So let's get started. I want to start by preparing the vegetables. These are the ingredients used in the dish. I will show you how to cut and prepare each vegetables. Snow peas are used as garnishment. Break the stem ends off of the snow peas and pull off the strings. Boil the snow peas. Konnyaku. Slice a block of konnyaku into 7mm thickness and make an incision in the center. Then twist one end of konnyaku. Boil the konnyaku with the water that boils the snow peas. Peel and cut taro roots, carrots, and lotus roots using the vegetable carving techniques. How to carve each vegetable is explained in the previous video, so please find the link in the description. You can simplify this process by cutting everything into bite-sized wedges. Either way is fine. Slice chicken thigh into thin slices. Now, I will parboil taro roots potatoes. Sprinkle a teaspoon of salt over the potatoes and add water to parboil. Bring it to a boil and parboil the taro roots for about 1 minute. Drain the water and wash the potatoes under the running water to remove sticky texture. Add sesame oil to the pot and heat over medium-high heat. Cook chicken first. When chicken has become whitish in color, transfer the chicken to a strainer. Then, add vegetables and cook lightly. Transfer the vegetables to the strainer. Pour hot boiling water over the chicken and vegetables to remove excess fat. Add dashi soup stock to a pot and bring it to a boil. Add sugar, sake, mirin, and soy sauce to the pot. Combine chicken and vegetables to the soup. Cut a parchment paper into the size of the pot. and place it on the vegetables. Paper lid sitting on top prevents the liquid from completely evaporating and keeps the ingredients in place. This technique is often used in Japanese simmering. Cook for about 8 minutes. Stir the vegetables and cook for another 6 minutes until the soup has become 1/3 from the original amount and vegetables are tender. Serve on a plate and garnish with snow peas. Braised chicken and vegetables is complete now. It tastes good even when it is cold or on next day because the sauce is soaked in well. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV. See you in my next video. Bye bye!